talk. Probably at the way I floss, make you feel a type of way.
So hey guys, it's Ohhbrittney. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you've never been here before. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all basically how I made this shirt from this. Okay, so we're gonna start by just laying the shirt flat so we can see what we want to do. So immediately I already knew I was gonna cut out the part where it says Mortal Kombat, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out. Well, we're gonna put it aside and save it for later. Okay, so as you can see here, we're just gonna go ahead and cut this whole thing out, kind of like a strip. Okay, so now I'm just taking this shirt and I'm just going to pin the front to the back just to make sure everything is together so I can go ahead and line it up. And now I'm just grabbing a crop top that I already had that fits me as like a reference, and I'm just going to kind of line it up with the top of the shirt, lay it down, and then I'm just going to kind of look at it and figure out where I want to cut it. I'm not really big on measuring and things like that, so I just kind of like eyeball stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to kind of cut a little under an inch underneath my crop top, and then I'm just gonna cut the sides off as well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the back side of the shirt, and you don't have to do this, this is like optional, but I use this basically to just make sure that my line was really straight. But I'm just going to go ahead and fold the ends over and pin them down. That's basically all you're going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and do that to all sides of the shirt, all four ends, and pin them down. And then after I'm done pinning them down, I'm going to go ahead over to my sewing machine, and we're just going to sew it down. Then after I'm done sewing the ends down, I'm just going to go ahead and sew both of the front and the back of this shirt together. And so this is what it should look like when you are done, like a little tube top situation. And here I was like, okay, I want to do more, so we're just going to go ahead and grab that. Well, I'm grabbing a strap, like a book bag strap that I had, and then I'm going back in with that Mortal Kombat little strip that we got from earlier. And basically, I'm just going to go ahead and grab some fabric glue and glue that down. Now, if you're interested in the glue that I am using, I will link it below. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that strap and pin it into the shirt where I want it to be. As you can see, I kind of want it to hang a little bit under the shirt. I don't know, I just thought it was cool, so that's what I did. And we're just going to go ahead and sew those ends down too. So this is what it looks like so far. And I'm just going to go back to the rest of the shirt, and I'm just going to cut out some extra pieces for my straps. And basically I'm just going to go ahead and cut those off, get some glue, and then I'm going to fold the ends in and basically do the same thing that I just did. But I'm just going to do this to make the straps a little bit thicker because I don't really want it to be like flimsy. So and I just grabbed like an old earring or whatever that I had, and I'm just going to use that as my little loop thingy for my strap. So we're just going to go ahead and sew that down so it stays on the strap. And we're going to do that for both sides. Did the other one off camera just because it's kind of repetitive. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna take that strap piece and we're gonna pin it to the shirt, and that's exactly where I sewed it down. And I did that off camera as well because it's basically the same thing. But I grabbed like an old strap that I had from a different crop top, and I'm just pinning that down as well. And we're just gonna sew where the pins are, and then we're also gonna sew the back end of the strap to the back side of the shirt. Basically how we did the front. And this is what you should end up with. And this is how everything looks. I really like how this turned out. And that's the back. And yeah, you guys, this is how my shirt turned out. So if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, y'all.